एक शिक्षक जिसने जिंदगी बदल दी. Scene: a dimly lit classroom. A young boy, James, sits alone at his desk, staring at his failed test paper covered in red marks. His eyes are filled with disappointment. Narrator: Tum kabhi kuch nahi ban sakte. You will never be good enough. James had heard these words too many times. His teachers, classmates, even his own father never believed in him. But one person did, Ms. Laura. A warm and inviting classroom. Miss Laura, a kind and inspiring teacher, walks up to James and gently places a blank notebook on his desk. Write, James. Write your heart out. Your words matter. James looked up, confused. No one had ever told him that before. Scene: late at night. James sits at his small wooden desk, his face lit by a dim lamp. He furiously writes in the notebook, lost in his own world. Miss Laura's words echoed in his mind. For the first time, he believed he could be something more. Years later, a grand bookstore. James, now a successful author, stands with his first published book in his hands. He turns to the dedication page, where it reads, "To Miss Laura, the teacher who believed in me when no one else did." One teacher, one moment of kindness. That was all it took to change a life forever. Scene: an older Miss Laura, sitting in a cozy chair, reading James's book. She smiles, eyes glistening with pride. Because sometimes, a single spark is enough to light up someone's entire world.